Welcome to EstVis, all-in-one workflow for collision repair. EstVis is a software that helps collision shops to automate their business, covering interactions with insurance companies, dealerships, various vendors, and customers. With EstVis, you can easily automate and significantly speed up most of all routine operations running in the body shop. With EstVis, you no longer need to check manually and handle customer requests one by one. It's done automatically. Connect to a Geico account so the new appointments created on the web portal will be automatically imported into EstVis. You can see the important case in Opportunities bucket with all data taken from Geico online service. Then, EstVis generates a link and sends it to the customer, asking him to take and upload damage photos and choose drop-off date and time. As the customer chooses the expected drop-off date and time, EstVis will schedule an appointment automatically, adding it to the system. Schedule tab allows you to have a clear idea of the planned repair works and distribute the body shop load day by day. As the damage photos received, you can analyze them. And set one of the damage levels. Having damage photos and work authorization signed by the customer, you can pre-order parts required for repairs. So by the time the vehicles comes to your shop, most parts needed for repair are likely will be at the shop. You don't have to check and import work orders manually and call customers as well. EstVis saves you time and subsequently money, improves business process and increases KPIs, which positively affects body shop profit and ratings for insurance companies. For more information, visit estvis.com or contact us at support@estvis.com.